to try when you're feeling really stressed and just overwhelmed with all the responsibilities that come with the holiday season. So if you'd like, you can join me. We're going to start in child's pose. So I'm going to turn to the side here, and we're going to do a wide legs child's pose. So we're going to begin to press the hips back. Our knees are wide, our toes are touching, and we're bringing our hands forward, but sending our hips back, bringing our forehead down to the ground. And we're just going to imagine all our stress is pouring from our forehead into the earth. That your head is not the container for your stress anymore, that it is flowing freely and giving you space for the things you love inside. We're just going to breathe that sensation, inhaling love, exhaling stress through the crown. And then whenever you're ready, you're going to begin to slowly come up onto the fingertips. And you're slowly going to walk your fingertips over towards the right. Now, you can come right above the knee and stay right here, or you can lift the knee up and come as far over as you can, putting the shoulders back in their socket, but bending over that knee, getting a nice side stretch from the left of the hand down to the left hip. And you can release your chin to chest. Breathing here. And then you can inhale, lift. Fingertip yourself over towards the left side and do it on that side. You can come over the belly or stay right on top of it, but your goal is to extend your hands out as far as you can while keeping your shoulders into their socket and stretching on the right side body now. And you're going to inhale, lift yourself up, coming forward here. And we're going to do one of my favorite poses, two of my favorite poses. And you'll notice as we're sitting here in child's pose, we're going to do a lot of spine movements today because when we're stressed, our nervous system is really taxed. And our spine houses our nervous system, so when we can activate relaxation, we can then cancel the stress response in our body. So we have our hands facing forward here, we're pressing down into them, and we're going to actively roll into cat pose, and then come back into cow for child's pose. So you can watch me first. Inhale, tuck the chin to chest. Press into the hands, roll yourself up as if you were a Halloween kitty. And whenever your shoulders come over your hands, begin to arch your back. Bringing the heart forward, gaze comes up, tailbone begins to move back to the heels. You're just going to do that a few times, inhaling up for cat. Exhaling back for cow. And you can do that at your own pace, but really take it nice and slow. Inhale. Let it feel good. Get into every crack of the spine if you can. I try to. This really help me calm down. I'm going to do that one more time. Make it really intentional. And exhale back for cow, bringing out all that stress from the spine. Beautiful. Then we're going to come up onto quadruped or tabletop. We're going to have our shoulders under our wrist. Our fingertips are spread nice and wide. We're pressing into the tops of our feet, rolling those shoulders down and back. The hips are above the knees. I'm just going to inhale, lift the heart in the tailbone. And then exhale round, bringing the belly end up to spine, up to the ceiling. Inhale up for cat. Exhale down. Inhale up. And exhale down. We'll do that one more time. Inhale up. exhale down. Very good. So from here, we're going to begin to bring our left foot to the ground. We're going to come into a forward fold. So we're going to bring our right foot to the ground. Here we are in forward fold. You can have a nice generous bend in the knees if you feel it, or you can have a slight bend if that feels good. You can have your hands on your thighs or on your shins here, or they could be touching the floor. But the goal here is to pour out of the crown of your head. So our mission here is just to let go and breathe, remaining grounded into the feet. But we're breathing here, pouring that stress out of the top of our head now. And then we're going to inhale, halfway lift. And exhale, fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, audible sigh on the fold. One more time. Inhale, halfway lift. And exhale. Beautiful. You can slowly make a nice bend in the knees. And then you can use your hands to grab opposite elbow and just sway your upper torso side to side, releasing the lower back. I like to imagine all the stress just rolling off of me, rolling out. And then slowly placing your hands down. And we're going to come onto a kneeling pose here. So you can come into easy sitting pose or with pillows under your knees, or you can sit on top of a bolster if that's comfortable for you here. This is also a good stretch for our knees. If we don't sit like this often, it can also get tight at the top. So we're going to end off this stress-free yoga flow with a gentle spinal twist. So we're going to inhale, lift our arms up. And exhale, cactus the arms down to our side. We're going to turn our torso towards the right, bring our left hand to our right knee, and we're going to gaze over the right shoulder. We're just going to breathe here, rolling those shoulders down and back. And then we're going to inhale, lift those arms up. Beautiful. Exhale, cactus the arms, turn the torso towards the left, right hand to left knee, right or left hand behind the back, rolling those shoulders down, gazes over the left shoulder. Breathing here. And then go ahead and inhale, lift those arms up one more time. And exhale, bringing them hands at chest. Beautiful. So you can stay kneeling or join me in easy sitting pose, but I hope that you enjoyed those de-stressing yoga poses. They really help me. Sometimes just imagining that stress pouring out or just breathing in one of those poses really helps me shift from stressed and I don't know to, okay, how can we fix it? Getting out of the problem receptive mode to getting the answer. And as always, I thank you so much for sharing your practice with me. Thank you for getting on your mat with me today. We'll close out by bringing our thumbs to our third eye, taking a nice deep inhale, and exhale, bowing forward, saying namaste. Thank you so much again. I will see you in our next video.